Hi everyone, welcome to Matt's Lock Pit. So as you can see, we've got a package. So today's video is going to be a package opening. The package is off my good friend Uklockpicka. As you all know, Uklockpicka is an absolutely amazing, very talented picker. He opens up high security locks like they're fucking master locks. And yeah, he's also makes some beautiful homemade custom picks as well. So what I thought I'd do, guys, is try a bit of a different style of package opening. So stick with me and let me know what you think. But let's see what's inside this box then. So there we are, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. I think we can all agree that was an absolutely fantastic package. So Uklockpicka, thank you so much, my brother. I've got hours of fun to be had here. If anyone hasn't checked out Uklockpicka, the link will be in the description of this video. Get on over there. As I said, he's got an amazing channel. He opens up high security locks like there's no tomorrow. And yeah, he's actually just set up a little Facebook group called Locksport Anonymous. So I'll stick that there for now. I will be adding it to the backboard over the next few days, but very cool little group. Talk about whatever you want on there. So let's just have a quick brief overlook of this package. As I said, he's an amazing pick maker, and look at that. Have you ever seen anything like that, guys? The end of this pick is a silhouette like a bird. Absolutely fantastic. Lovely profile as well. And yeah, I love the way that the pick comes in at the bottom here for your fingers to sit in. You can tell you can have a load of control over that. So what a fantastic looking pick. So if you're looking for custom picks, guys, get on over to Uklockpicka. You make some crazy stuff. But look at that lovely piece. That'll look lovely next to my dad's Evers on my shelf. So absolutely beautiful. As I said, he opens high security locks like there's no tomorrow. So let's just have a quick look at this ABS reel quickly. I believe these have got the pinning pins in, like the multi-locks, so that's going to be good fun. If we have a look at the key here, works absolutely perfect, as you'd imagine. If we take it out, I've never actually had to play with one of these before, but if we have a look in the end here, we've actually got a magnetic element to it. So, hold on. So, yeah, looking forward to having a good play and sussing that out. I have got a little bit of time now. I'm going to sink that into this Mila. It's number 7 by Uklockpicka himself. So yeah, see what this is about now. That sounds like fun. I found this a bit of an interesting lock, guys. 1-star kite mark. It's actually a Smith & Lock. I never knew Smith & Lock made kite mark locks, so I'm hoping they've upped their game, because they were a bit shoddy before, if I'm honest with you. So I'm looking forward to seeing what's in there. So anyway, guys, I'm rambling on a bit here now, guys. So make sure you all check out Uklockpicka. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.